Birdwood flag.
Let's have a look at it then, shall we? Ah!
Is that not the most amazing?
What's happened to it? Thousands and thousands of little pieces.
The conservators know how to do it. I have no idea.
A special delivery of precious cargo. Nearly 100 years since its arrival on the battlefield in Belgium, the Birdwood flag has come home to Newcastle. After 2 years of meticulous restoration work in Sydney, today it began a new chapter, lifted into a specially crafted showcase at Christchurch Cathedral.
Look at that, it fits. Yay!
Its story is a fascinating one and has its beginnings in Newcastle with Dora Sparke, an organiser for the Comforts Fund, who decided our soldiers needed their own flag on the front line.
It was delivered a year after it was made, really, to General Birdwood in Ypres in Belgium, right on the battlefront. There's a report in the newspaper that says there was sounds of the battle going on at the same time.
After the war, the General returned the flag to Newcastle and it stood in the cathedral's Warriors' Chapel, gradually disintegrating. But instead of disposing of the pieces, as was tradition, the Dean of the time kept them. They were rediscovered, stored in a shoebox.
The first impression was that, it was scary, really scary project.
Experts soon realised the treasure they'd unearthed.
It is one of, if not the only, it is one of the remaining earliest national flags of Australia.
And so began the painstaking task of putting the pieces back together.
It was like a giant jigsaw puzzle that, you've never had the likes of before.
Some parts are still missing, so the restoration team added a red backing to complete the piece.
We put all of the silk together between 2 layers of tulle and then sewed around each single piece in between both layers of tulle to create the flag.
For those involved, today's return of the flag was an emotional moment.
It has the effect of a teddy bear that you thought you'd lost, that was precious, and when you get it back, it's not quite what it was, and you look at it and you know that it's been really affected by its journey in the meantime.